What if Toyota took one of its biggest family SUVs and turned it into a factory-built overlanding machine? That's exactly what happened with the 2027 Toyota Sequoia Trailhunter. It looks tougher, comes packed with new off-road hardware, smarter technology, and it's built for families who refuse to stay on the pavement. For 2027, Toyota isn't reinventing the Sequoia. Instead, it's making it even more capable. The biggest news is the introduction of the new Trailhunter package, giving the full-size SUV genuine overlanding capability straight from the factory. Designed by Toyota's North American team, the updated Sequoia combines rugged performance with premium comfort, making it equally ready for daily driving, long road trips, or remote camping adventures. The first thing you'll notice is the redesigned front end. It now features a stronger, more refined appearance with a wider grille, updated bumper, rectangular fog lights, and a brighter integrated LED light bar. But the real star is the Trailhunter package. Toyota equips it with Michelin LTX Trail tires, an Old Man Emu suspension, front recovery hooks, extra underbody protection, a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, and crawl control. Exclusive bronze wheels and Trailhunter badging complete the rugged look. This isn't just cosmetic. It's designed to take the Sequoia far beyond paved roads. Inside, Toyota focuses on making every journey easier. Every 2027 Sequoia now comes standard with a 14-inch touchscreen, the latest Toyota Audio Multimedia system, faster 5G connectivity, an improved Hey Toyota voice assistant, and a built-in dash camera. There's also an upgraded digital key, allowing you to unlock and start the SUV directly from your smartphone. For camping or tailgating, the available 2.4 kilowatt power inverter lets you run appliances, tools, or outdoor equipment wherever you go. It's practical technology designed for real adventures. The 2027 Toyota Sequoia Trailhunter proves that a full-size family SUV can also be a serious adventure vehicle. It combines Toyota's legendary reliability with factory-engineered off-road capability, premium comfort, and modern technology in one impressive package. If you're looking for an SUV that can handle weekdays, family vacations, and weekend expeditions without compromise, the new Sequoia Trailhunter deserves a place at the top of your list. So, would you choose the new Toyota Sequoia Trailhunter over rivals like the Ford Expedition Tremor, Jeep Wagoneer, or Chevrolet Tahoe Z71? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of the latest automotive reviews here on CBC Auto. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.